Alright, I just received an email question, and this one is more tailored towards students or anyone who may work part-time and you're claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return. Now, it's quite detailed, so bear with me as I read through. I have been working since 2003 and have never filed taxes. I'm 22 and I'm claimed by my parents. The first couple of years I've earned at or over the limit for filing, so I'm wondering if I have to file even though my parents claim me as a dependent. If I do file, will that negatively affect my parents' taxes, and can I file for previous years I didn't file? Now, whether you should file or not depends upon your gross income, your filing status, and your age. Now, in your case, because you are under the age of 65, you're single, but you're also claimed as a dependent on your parents' tax returns. If your earned income was above the standard deduction amount for the year you failed to file, then yes, you were required to file. Now, dating back to 2003, I believe the standard deduction amount was around $5,000. So it's safe to say that if you had earned income above $5,000, then you should have been filing a tax return for those years. Now, to answer the part about would that negatively affect your parents' tax returns because they already claimed you as a dependent, that answer is no. But you need to make sure when you do go back and file their return that you do not claim a personal exemption for yourself because your parents already did so. And lastly, you ask, can I file a previous return that I failed to file? And I do encourage you to visit my tax blog site because I did post a video that can help you out with that. So check out the blog site and look at the video entitled, What If I Haven't Filed a Return in Years? Now, I also included some information for everyone's knowledge about the minimum requirements, the minimum income requirements to file. That's inclusive of all ages and filing statuses. So I certainly encourage everyone to visit the blog site and check out that information as you may find it useful. But to kind of give you a general summation of the minimum income level requirements to file, if your earned income was above the exemption amount plus the standard deduction amount that's applicable to your particular filing status, then yes, you are required to file an income tax return. But let me leave you with this. Just because you are not required to file an income tax return, that does not mean you shouldn't return or shouldn't file an income tax return. If you look at your check stub and you notice that federal income tax were being withheld, then you're actually entitled to that money even if you did not meet the minimum income level requirement to file. So once again, that information is posted on my tax blog site, so I encourage you to visit that for more information. Thanks.